The Man with the Coconuts. One day, a man who had been to gather his coconuts loaded his horse heavily with the fruit. On the way home, he met a boy, whom he asked how long it would take to reach the house.
"If you go slowly," said the boy, looking at the load on their horse, "you'll be arrived very soon. But if you go fast, it will take you all day."
The man could not believe this strange speech, so he hurried his horse. But the coconut fell off, and he had to stop to pick them up. Then he hurried the horse all the more to make up for lost time. But the coconuts fell off again. Many times he did this, and it was night when he reached home.